How to add music in YouCut. First of all, select a video you want to edit or create a new project in YouCut app by tapping the plus icon and choosing your video from the gallery. Once the video loads into the timeline, look at the bottom menu and tap the music option. This is where you can add music, whether it's from YouCut's library or your own collection. Next, if you want to use the built-in music library, tap on the Feature tab. You will find various music tracks categorized by mood and genre. Browse through them and tap on any track to preview it. If you like the track, tap the use icon to add it to your video. Note that some music tracks may require you to unlock them by watching ads. Now, if you want to add your own music from your phone's storage, tap the My Music tab. Here you'll see a list of audio files saved on your device. Choose the one you want and tap Use. The music will be added to your video's timeline and you can adjust its position to fit the timing of your video. If needed, you can trim the music, adjust the volume, or even fade it in or out by tapping on the music layer in the timeline. You can also move the music around to match the perfect spot in your video. And that's it. Now you know how to add music in YouCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.